C-Tetra Intense is our ultimate all-rounder vitamin C serum infused with super stable vitamin C derivative tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. C-Tetra Intense is a supercharged version of our best-selling C-Tetra serum. An intense upgrade, this formula is boosted with double the levels of vitamin C, the addition of brightening optimized red ginseng extract, and nourishing boosters of squalane, maracuja oil and vitamin F to feed the skin with essential moisture. The serum provides powerful antioxidant protection to fight visible signs of aging. Packed full of brightening actives, C-Tetra Intense strives to restore radiance and glow to a dull complexion. The skin is left nourished, visibly plump, radiant and more youthful looking. C-Tetra Intense contains tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate, a super stable form of vitamin C that boosts antioxidant levels in the skin. Oil soluble, it is able to penetrate the skin's defensive lipid barrier with ease to deliver benefits deep into the skin, helping to stimulate collagen production. This intense version of our cult serum is packed full of nourishing and brightening ingredients. Optimized red ginseng supercharges the serum's brightening power, while vitamin F along with squalane work to reinforce the skin's natural protective barrier for a nourished complexion. Vitamin C is one of the most unstable ingredients in skincare. In its purest form, also known as ascorbic acid, it quickly degrades to lose all of its power if unstabilized. It can even become a pro-oxidant, which causes more damage to the skin. In C-Tetra Intense, we use a stabilized derivative of vitamin C, tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate. This molecule is altered to make it less reactive to oxidation, meaning that even 12 months down the line, you can still be sure that your vitamin C is still as potent as when you first opened it. C-Tetra Intense is our perfect all-rounder vitamin C serum to target and prevent signs of premature aging. You can use this after starting with the original C-Tetra or go straight into C-Tetra Intense for more power in your morning routine. It's especially good for drier skin types looking for added moisture. After cleansing in the morning, massage C-Tetra Intense across the face, neck and décolletage. Then leave the serum to absorb before applying moisturizer and sunscreen.